Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Rosan Giyab Pasibugan, 36 years of age. I'm from Barangay Santa Visitacion, Tumawini, Isabela, Philippines. I'm high school graduate, married. I have two blessed kids, ages 15 and 12. I have 2 years experience in Muscat, Oman as domestic helper. They are 9 family members, 1 couple and 7 children. Ages 20, 19, 16 twins, 13, 9, and 7. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, and taking care of the kids. To all employer in Hong Kong, please choose me because I'm honest, hardworking, loyal, trustworthy, and I follow your role. Thank you and God bless.